Hey guys, have a look what I found. A wooden scrap. The moment I saw it, I decided that I'm going to paint this. This video is specially for beginners, so let's get started. First of all, I have primed this wooden scrap with a white gesso to get a smooth surface to paint. If you don't have gesso, you can go with white paint or simply paint the scene on a drawing sheet. See guys, our aim is just to paint and make ourselves feel better from this daily chaos. So start with whatever you have, just give it a shot. So, before painting anything, make a rough outline with a pencil in order to get the idea where to put the right colors. Then, moving on to the clouds part, I am starting with blues like Prussian, cerulean, and then using white and orange, and then blending them properly. Once you get the clouds part right, you can move on to the sea, which is just the reflection of clouds. See, guys, even if it gets muddy or you feel like it's not that good, you can still go on because as it's the process of a painting to look little ugly in the beginning while painting. So paint it anyway. The same colors will go for painting water. The tip I can give you for blending the colors is that you can use your fingers to blend the colors when the paint brush does not work that way. The best part about acrylics is that they dry faster. So even if you want to put another layer or you are not satisfied with the first layer, you can go on or move on to the another layer without any hesitation because sometimes you don't get the desired output in your first layer. You have to apply many layers like I'm doing it right now. I may put various layers or put various colors to get the desired outcome in order to get the right reflections of the clouds on my sea part. And this is my favorite part where I'm covering the remaining part with the black color. For the lamp part, just use lemon yellow and a tinge of orange to give the outline. These are the last touch-ups I am giving to the clouds using red and violet. And it's almost done. Do let me know about this little painted wooden scrap in the comment section below. And if you guys paint this, don't forget to share it with me, your own version on Instagram. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.